Ka sorkar jelah ka janmit juga sngi palei kelakot ya keren ya nonghikai school SSA ban ya keren penbej haka bayade bagajing dawa jungki bansiu ya katulop basan banai kanti. Barha kate kajing alang rengkat badu sembut menteri rangba Bah Prestone Tynsong nonghikai kilayo kajing tho baka sorkar kan supply notion ya katulop basau banai haka tayo banwan kat bay ka shi banai barangsa ka sorkar kan apshwa na kajing pelai ka sorkar padang. Uba aris total rambai habai keren berkinong tok kubor ulai thu bau sembut menteri rangba omtang bau ukular tangkaktin herai kilayo ru lembah kajing tho badong ru bakinonghikai ki pediang badhun ya karai jong ka sorkar.
Jungi kendo jungi bat Deputy Chief Minister is Prestone Tynsong. Ka jungi don berkandang di Additional Chief Secretary is di Malang. The Secretary Education is Impus Merak. But the Deputy State Project Director is Andre Warji. Te ka jungi kendo ila banong makalong fruitful kalong positif. Number one, akbai day but demands kapanong kong jungi kata kalong ban release all of 5 months pending salaries. So today, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong informed us that the state government have released the balance amount amounting rupees 44 crores today itself for releasing the salary for the months of February and March. Added to that, the government have taken a decision to use from the corpus fund an amount of rupees 78 crores, which will be refunded back when the state government receive the first installment from the government of India. Added to that, decision has also been taken that both this amount, that is the 44 crores and the 78 crores, this should be transferred or credited to the single nodal agency not later than the 21st July 2022. And regarding the 1 month, because our salary is pending for 5 months, so the government will release 4 months, that is by next week. And for the remaining 1 month, the government will release it once they receive the ad hoc and the first installment from the government of India. Added to this, furthermore, the Deputy Chief Minister informed us that today he'll be going to New Delhi along with the Chief Minister to meet the Union Minister and also the official of the Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Education in order to expedite the release of the ad hoc and first installment by the government of India for this current financial year 2022-23. As far as our second demand is concerned, that is enhancements of salary, we have discussed in length. So after detailed discussion, we have taken a decision that as far as enhancements of SCA teachers' salary is concerned, we have taken a decision that this agenda will be one of the agenda that will be addressed by the Education Commission when it is constituted. Added to this, we have also discussed regarding the delay of salary. It means irregular payment of salary, because now and then we have to come out to states after 4 to 5 months. So today we have taken a decision that at least from now onwards, our salary should be released quarterly. Means if it is pending also, it should not be more than a quarter.
Sim yakarai mendaga janmit ban call off and withdraw yakanika indefinite daharna jongi.